Do a short video. I was riding the other day. I got a 2022 C-Force 1000 Overland. Ain't no Can-Am, but she does the job. Anyway, went through some deep water, filled the CVT up with water, and your drain plug is way up under here. Sorry, I got terrible lighting. Your drain plug's way up under there, pain in the ass to get to. Easiest way to get to it is pull 2 bolts on the skid plate, pull your skid plate down, then you can get to it 8mm. And then you got to lay on the ground, do all kinds of stuff, but I'm going to show you how to put an actual drain on your CVT cover. Now, done this before. You need a set of tire valves. What you're going to do, you're going to find you a spot on here, drill you a hole, pull the core out of here, pull it through there, use your cap, and then you fill it full of water. All you got to do is pull your cap off your valve. It'll drain all your water out. You got to be careful where you put it. You got clutches spinning around inside there, down here. But yeah, anyway, let's see if I can't figure this out. Okay, once you find your spot, I hold it up there, make sure you got rough clearance. My mounting bolt down here seems to be about the lowest point of the CVT that I could get access to. But your tire valves will have different diameters. This is .453 rim hole. I drilled a hole. I don't have a bit big enough, so I got a 3/8, kind of wallowed her out. But you're gonna take this bad boy. I put a little grease on her. You're gonna stick it through this hole, and then I'm gonna use some pliers to pull on it, and I'll get you some footage here in a minute. Okay, we got that valve stem pulled through there, but you got to remove the core. Otherwise, you're not gonna drain no water. And then I don't know about y'all, but my 4-wheeler valve stem, I really need to get a GoPro mount. My valve stem cap has a valve stem remover, so you just pop that bad boy in there. Maybe. Almost there. Almost there. Okay, but then you put the cap back on. And then anytime you fill this bad boy full of water, instead of climbing under all the mud and nasty shit, you can just pull this cap off, and that'll drain all your water. That'll be right back behind your brake pedal. Easy to get to. I'll throw it on and get you some little bit of footage of that. But you want to make sure you got good tight fit there. Otherwise that'll leak water. You put a little silicone there if you're not confident in it, but get the right size hole. Don't go too big, don't go too small. But they make different sizes of valve stems. You can use this on Yamaha, Kawasaki, any side-by-side that's got your CVT. Your belt gets wet, you're kind of fucked. But yeah, I'll throw this on and get you some quick footage. How well you can see it. Right. There we go, maybe. Right there's the valve stem. I might have got a little too far forward, but I can reach my hand right here under the brake pedal, unscrew it, screw it back on if you need to. A lot easier than crawling under. And another thing you can do is I took a hole saw and cut a 2-inch hole right below my other plug. Just carry an 8mm and an extension with you. But anyway, redneck ingenuity at its finest.